Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the battery percentage for all iPhone 13 devices, including the standard, the pros, the maxes, all of them are included. So this is very easily done by going into the settings app, which is right here. Or alternatively, if you can't easily find that on your home screen or any other page, you can just simply pull down and then go to Spotlight Search and then search for settings. And now I'll go and open this. Now, once we're in here, all we have to do is scroll down to battery. And then the top option here is to allow battery percentage. And as you can see, we now have the battery percentage on the top right-hand corner. And just one other cool thing I'll really quickly show you is that if you are looking for a kind of cleaner look on your home screen, you can actually still disallow the battery percentage and you can still see your battery percentage, but it is a little bit hidden. So if you kind of want to keep it nice and simple, to see your battery percentage, all you have to do is just pull down from the top right-hand corner to the control panel. And as you can see, we can now see our battery percentage there at a quick glance. Or alternatively, you can just have it on all the time. Either way, it's both really helpful. So there you have it, guys. Really quick and simple way on how to allow battery percentage on all iPhone 13 devices. So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.